Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, March 18, 2021. It is 6:36 and 47 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Leishmania parasites. So let's hop to it here. Dogs infected with Leishmania parasites smell more attracted to female sandflies. Date March 18, 2021. Source, Lancaster University. Summary. Dogs infected with the Leishmania parasite smell more attracted to female sandflies than males. Leishmania parasites are transmitted from infected dogs to people by sandflies when they bite. As only female sandflies transmit the parasite, researchers want to understand if infection made dogs more attractive to the insect. Globally, over 350 million people are at risk of leishmanias, with up to 300,000 new cases annually. In Brazil, the parasite Leishmania infantum is transmitted by the bite of infected female Leishmania longipelpis sandflies. Globally, over 350 million people are at risk of leishmaniasis, with up to 300,000 new cases annually. In Brazil alone, there are approximately 4,500 deaths each year from the visceral form of the disease, and children under 15 years old are more likely to be affected. Leishmania parasites are transmitted from infected dogs to people by sandflies when they bite. Visceral leishmaniasis affects the internal organs and is fatal if not treated. As only female sandflies transmit the parasite, researchers want to understand if infection made dogs more attractive to the insect. In this study, researchers showed that infected dog odor is much more attractive than uninfected dog odor to female sandflies. Only the females can transmit the pathogen, and male sandflies, which do not transmit the parasite, are not affected by the changed odor. This clear-cut difference in attraction of female and male sandflies suggests that the females are preferentially attracted by parasite-infected hosts, and this could lead to enhanced infection and transmission opportunities for the parasite. The researchers had previously found that dogs infected with Leishmania parasites smell different compared to uninfected dogs. Domestic dogs are the reservoir of infection, therefore understanding how the infection affects the attractiveness of dogs to the insect vector is important in understanding the epidemiology of the disease and offers opportunities for new control and diagnostic methodologies. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.